This buttery coffee is my go-to keto-friendly beverage. Hi, it's Nadia. Today I'm inviting you to join my morning coffee routine and make it keto. It's a refreshing enjoyment which is nurtural and ritual to start a wonderful day. I'll cover equipment needed, process, and recipes. Let's get started. Equipment needed are a gooseneck kettle, either a stovetop one or electronic one. I prefer one with a thermometer to get the temperature I want. A cup mat, serving carafe, or any cup, jar, jug you like. This tall jug is specifically selected to make my keto coffee. You'll see why very soon. Comb dripper. I choose this 18-8 stainless steel made. I don't have to worry any paper filter supply, which is quite environmental friendly. Coffee grinder, either hand grinder, electronic grinder, or like this, a juice and smoothie blender has a grinder attachment. Scale, to measure coffee and water. Timer, to make each pour evenly and timely. Both scale and timer ensure a consistent result. A cup and a spoon. Good soft water, no chlorine. Your choice of delicious coffee, and to make it keto, we also need a milk pitcher or frother and an immersion blender. This is also the reason of choosing the tall jug as a serving carafe. I can use a blender directly in without risking any splash out when making keto coffee. About coffee, my current favorite is Bella Donovan from Blue Bottle. It's medium roasted, having fresh notes of raspberry, semi-sweet chocolate, and molasses flavor, just like Blue Bottle's own description. It's a wool sweater, warm, comforting, and familiar. Coffee beans in this video represent happiness seeds I would love you to have. I wish you nurture it the way you want, and it brings you the most peaceful joy. Coarseness of coffee grind is normally similar to table salt or standard granulated sugar. 4-ounce mason jar is very handy to store these coffee grounds. If I just need to brew one serving at a time and left others. Pour over is my favorite way of coffee brewing. It might seem a lot of time and equipment needed, but actually it's not that complicated. This manual way to produce a good cup of coffee is surprisingly manageable. And what the best is during the time of preparing, brewing, enjoying coffee, and even the washing afterwards. It's a mind-setting way to start a wonderful day. Also, the process is quite zen and therapeutic. this is a cup of good coffee, freshly brewed. Enjoy it directly, or let's do more. Good coffee makes better keto coffee to start your best day. Keto coffee is basically to add fat content and high-speed blend it into coffee. Coffee becomes amazingly smoother with good quality fat. It tastes very good. And to boost fat content and deliciousness, whipping cream is a good choice to add in, like any latte making. Now let's see the recipes. My pour-over coffee recipe is simple. Having 12 grams of coffee in contact with 240 grams of water in 93 degrees Celsius. Total brewing time is 2 to 2.5 minutes. Start with 30 grams of water to saturate and degas coffee. At 40 seconds, pour over. Heat 140 grams of water and wait. At 1 minute and 20 seconds, pour over again. Heat total 240 grams of water, depending on flow rate, till 2 to 2.5 minutes. Remove dripper and complete the whole brewing. And about keto coffee recipe, amount of coffee and water are the same with pour-over coffee recipe. Also add 1 teaspoon each of ghee, coconut oil, MCT oil, and 150 milliliters of heavy whipping cream. I hope you start a wonderful day with something refreshing. Please always know that you are cherished and blessed. Thank you for your watching and considering to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Take care.